Hello, viewers all over the world. I remain your humble mathematician, God will honor, otherwise known as GOMS. God will honor mathematics solution. Okay, let's consider the next episode, which is episode what? 27. It says differentiate the following with respect to x. Differentiate the following with respect to what? To x. Here, y equals to exponent what? 4s sine s all over what? S cos 2x. Y equals to what? Exponent 4s sine s all over what? S cos 2s. Okay, this is a question from differentiation as usual. And I have a defined differentiation. The process of finding the derivative of a function is known as a differentiation. But when you look at this differentiation, you discover that this question involves more than two functions. It involves more than two functions. Y equals exponent 4s is a function, sine s is a function, s is a function, and cos 2s is a function. So if you are to resolve this kind of problem, whereby the differentiation involves more than two functions, either as a product or quotient, because you can now say that the numerator involves what? Two functions, and the denominator involves two functions. And it also appears in a quotient form. So the best approach to this kind of problem is what we call a logarithmic method of a differentiation. That is what we are going to use. And logarithmic means that that is the log. You take the length of both sides. You take the length of both sides. So that is just it. So let's come down a little bit. This is s side. It's a differentiate with respect to s. Y equals to x sine s all over 1 plus cos s. 1 cos s. So the answer to this question is this. This is the answer. S sine s all over 1 plus cos s, open bracket, reciprocal of s minus cos s plus sine s all over 1 plus cos s, close. This is the answer to this. This is the answer to this. So that it does it. So take note. So let's start. Okay, the first thing is our analysis. Analysis. Analysis and solution. Okay, so what you do is this. When differentiation involves more than two functions as a product or quotient. So like this, which we said that the best method to approach this is a logarithmic method of a differentiation. So you take the length of both sides. You start in this form. You now say length and y equals to length, open bracket, exponent 4s. You close it. And when you are applying length is the same as log. So multiplication of numbers, then addition of log values. So you have to apply, the law of logarithm. So this is it's a multiplication product here. So you have to apply what? Addition. So it will be plus length, open bracket, sine s. Okay, then division we change to what? Subtraction. This is division. Division of what? Numbers. Then what? Subtraction of what? Log value. So it will be minus ln s. Ln minus ln 1 cos 2s. Okay? So this is how you start with. So you discover that everything has been in a log form. So from this place, we cannot differentiate. We have to differentiate from here. Then how do you differentiate? So from here, for you to remove it from log, you now say reciprocal. That's a reciprocal of y, then dy all over ds. equals reciprocal of this, which is a reciprocal of exponent what 4s, 4s, then you take a dds of exponent 4s, okay, plus then reciprocal of sin s, dds of sin s. Then here minus, here is a reciprocal of s, then dds of our s, then minus a reciprocal of our cos 2s, then dds of cos 2s, okay? So what we have just done here is this. So we are differentiating. So to differentiate this, you will now take since it's linear, so the differentiation is what? The reciprocal of y, then dds of y, that is a differentiate y, equal to here also. Then this is our linear exponent 4s, which is the reciprocal of exponent 4s, then dds of exponent 4s, plus then this is a reciprocal of sin s, dds of sin s, minus reciprocal of what x, then dds of what s, minus reciprocal of cos 2s, then dds of cos 2s. So that is what we have just done. Okay, now we have to, differentiate. So 1 over y, dy 1 over ds. This is dy equals, so the differentiation of this one now will be 4 exponent 4s all over what? Exponent 4s. Then we are done with this. So what do? You differentiate this. To differentiate this, you have to what? Differentiation of exponent 4s is exponent 4s times the differentiation of the what? The angle here, which is a 4s. So it will now give you 4 exponent 4s. That is what we have just done. Plus, then the differentiation of this, and the differentiation of sin s will give you cos s. So cos s times 1 will give you what? Cos what? S all over sin s. Then minus, then the differentiation of x is just 1. So here you have a minus 1. 1 times 1. Then coming to this place, minus, then the differentiation of this cos 2s. So to differentiate cos 2s, you differentiate cos first, which will give you what? Minus sin s. So it will give you minus sin s. Look, to differentiate this, it will give you minus sin s, sin, yes, 2s, you understand, times the differentiation of dds of 2s. So automatically to differentiate this one, it will now give you minus 2 sin what? Sin 2s. This is what you should have. Okay? So differentiation of this is just 2. 2 times will give you a thing like this. So minus 2 sin 2s. So minus, since it's minus, this one it will alter it. So this one will change to a plus. It will change to plus. That is a plus 2 sin 2s all over cos 2s. Okay? So that is, you can see what we have just done here. So let's just clean the first second step. So take note of what I have just done here. So here we have dy, say reciprocal of y dy ds equal to what? Differentiation of this is this 4 exponent 4s all over exponent 4s plus the differentiation of sin s, and that The differentiation of sine s is cos s all over what? Sine s. Then minus the differentiation of s is 1. 1 times 1, that's reciprocal of s plus. Then the differentiation of this one will give you minus what? Minus sine, minus sine 2s. Then times the differentiation of what? 2s, which will now give us minus what? Yes, it will now give us minus 2 sine 2s, but minus is here already. So minus will change to plus. That is why here change to plus. We're now having our plus 2 sine 2s all over cos 2s. So that is just it. Okay? So let's clean here. Okay, so which is the same, which implies 1 over y, then dy all over ds equals, okay, if you check it, this one will cancel itself. So we are having 4 here. This one cancel minus. Then plus. So check here. Cos s all over sin s will give us cot. Yeah, cot s. Yeah, cos s all over sin s will give us cot s. Then minus 1 all over s, which is this. Then plus. Okay, you can see this one. This is 2 sine 2s all over cos. Sine over cos will give us tan. So it will give us 2 tan 2s and 2s. Okay, so take note. So we can clean here now. Let's clean here. This one I cancel this, give me 4. Then I say cos s all over sin s will give us cot s. The reciprocal of 1 over s plus then a sine 2s all over cos 2s will give us tan 2s. So that is just it. So we cannot leave the question in this form. We can't leave it in this form because this is a reciprocal of y dy ds. So we are only looking for what dy ds. So therefore now dy all over 1 ds equals y, which is at this one, open bracket 4 plus cot s minus the reciprocal of s, then plus 2 tan what? Tan 2s. Okay? Now, what is our y? What is our y? Okay, take note. What is our y? So our y from the question, you can see our y from the question. So finally, okay, so dy all over ds equals to, I have to repeat it, which is exponent 4s, then sine s all over what? S cos 2s, cos 2s. Then you have to rewrite this. This is 4 plus what? Cot s minus the reciprocal of s. Then plus what? 2 tan 2s. Okay, so you discover that our y is this from the main question. Our y is this. So all you need to do is to what? Replace y by this. Then you have to rewrite this one just as what you have gotten here. And that is the answer. So let's clean here. So this is the answer to this very question. This is the answer to this very question. So viewers all over the world, this is the answer to this very question. Please continue to subscribe into my YouTube because is in my YouTube that will solve in full. Some of those, episodes you see in other words, in other, either in Facebook or TikTok or Instagram. But here, I will just solve it in full. But other ones, it may be in parts. So that just is. So this is the answer to this very question. You discover that it's very simple. It's just that the process is a little bit, longer than, the normal differentiation, either product or quotient. So that's just it. So this is the best approach to this kind of question using logarithmic differentiation method. Thank you, viewers. And that is just it.